Si Sid binanggit yan sa akin kasi siya'y pumasok doon sa dugout and she was able to observe how tight Bulanadi will put it on the deck. He drives, he scores! Off the dribble, slides in, lays it up and in. Maguliano free for a free. It's good! This move, he drives, he puts it up, he puts it in! JP Maguliano, he takes the free and makes it! With Vic Manuel, he drives baseline, the fake got blocked by Ronnie Matias to Harvey Pagsanhan. Manday poking it free, no go. Pagsanhan with a rebound. Yes, a Gabo foul, but last year siguro yun, no? Early in the season. Quezon speaks volumes on how well he has done here in the MPBL. It was ruled an unsportsmanlike foul, something happening on the bench of Pangasinan.
Big-time plays make big-time plays!
On the floor right now, either Caloocan ka man o Pangasinan, ramdam mo yung pressure ng laro na ito, especially what's at stake.
JJ Manlangit with a rebound. He's joined by Chris Bitoon, Prince Casin, Paul Sanga, and JJ Manlangit. Prince Casin finally gets himself on the ball. Is Alin Bulanadi, Joshua Pontanilla, and the muscle man, Vic Manuel, who overshoots the target on that three-point.
I feel this is a highly offensive 5 here for the Heatwaves. Another one incoming.
Back-to-back freeze from Prince Casin.
Wow. Prince Casin.
Mark in the playoffs this season. He's very excited. He's very grateful to the veterans for accepting him. In his words, kahit halos kaedad ko lang sila, pinapakitaan nila ako ng respeto dito. Catch task ahead. Ken, Coach Mike.
Maraming salamat, Mika. And with your report, I just want to give tribute to Sydney Crespo because she was the one who was the here in the North. And si Sid binanggit yan sa akin kasi siya'y pumasok doon sa dugout and she was able to observe how tight-knit this Caloocan squad was at that time, and that when he towed Parañaque to that semi-final finish in the South Division, just bowing out to Quezon, speaks volumes on how well he has done here in the MPBL. But Alin Bulanadi, taking the jumper, got fouled, and it was ruled an unsportsmanlike foul. They will review this.
That was deep in the corner. We couldn't see what was happening. On the floor, gave it up to Alin. Lifted for the shot. Ooh. A little tap.
Initially. But on the sidelines, looked like something happening on the bench of Pangasinan.
Lervin Flores?
Yeah, visibly upset. I think he's
Is that MJ Wico?
Si Michael Wico yung nagpapacify sa kanya.
Nagpapacify, that's right.
He's trying to light a fire under his teammates here.
It's now a game of poise right now.
Prince Casin has come up huge here in the fourth. Stepping back, long two-point shot. It will go out. Bulanadi. The drive by Pagsanhan. Open free from Bulanadi. Short. After hitting his... Gabo, pasa kay Manlangit. Tubukol sa tres. Tatalbog palabas. Gabo, nakuha yung rebound para sa Pangasinan. 7 minutes remaining here in the fourth. Sa poste, Maguliano. Forcing it up. And able to draw a foul against JJ Manlangit. Fantes. 7 seconds left sa kailang shot clock. Prince Casin puts it up for 3 off the heel. Bola nakuha ni JP Maguliano.
They got numbers.
Bulanadi will put it on the deck. He drives, he scores, plus a foul.
What you like about this?
1 of 9 shooting from the field. He drives baseline, setting up Real Cervantes, who hops into the lane and got fouled by a Heatwave.
And I like how malamang nanonood ngayon.
At the post, Maguliano. The flip shot is gone and he extends the lead to 66-63. The halfway point of the fourth period. Cabanag off the dribble. Slides in, lays it up and in. What an attack from Jeromer Cabanag. Points. Isa na lang ang labang ng Pangasinan.
Stay out of the way and leave it for Romel Calaha to defend.
Calaha though has 4 fouls but standing his ground, forcing the miss from JP Maguliano.
Good help by Real Cervantes though on Calahat.
Cervantes off the dribble, puts it in, and a bonus free throw coming up.
Not putting.
4 minutes left in the fourth. Pagsanhan rejected by Real Cervantes.
What a defensive recovery by Real.
8 seconds left sa shot clock ng Caloocan. Cabanag puts up the free. No go. Pagsanhan with a rebound. Hesed Cabo fouled by Cabanag and the Batang Kangkalu in penalty.
Another man that the Heat Waves are gonna guard against. Oh, making the most out of the situation and a 4 personal foul situation.
Caloocan with a 1-point lead. Maguliano free for a free. It's good!
How big? How big was that three, Ken?
What? They're still so close that there was this one game at the Caloocan Sports Complex when Hesed actually forgot his basketball shoes. I was actually there. Will forever keep the bond by heart. Ken Coachman.
Maraming salamat, Mika. Last year siguro yun, no? Early in the season. And the bond those two shared.
They're gonna try and exploit him.
Crispy Tohon goes inside the paint and ties it up at 71 apiece.
Crispy Tohon gonna
Time, last 2 minutes. Cabo swings it to Harvey Pagsanhan. Panday poking it free off the leg of Harvey Pagsanhan. Turnover against Pangasinan.
It was pretty much open. Manday was late, but the only thing that made Manday able to catch up is him not taking the shot. Big men.
5 seconds left on the shot clock. Caloocan having trouble. Oh, it's a foul against Hesed Gabo.
That was indeed a foul.
Bulanadi. Now it's with Vic Manuel. He drives baseline. The fake got blocked by Ronnie Matias. 2 seconds remaining. And play will continue. Prince Casin. Cervantes. Mabulak in his grill. Cervantes left it short. Bulanadi. Now it's with Mabulak. Chance here for Pangasinan. Bulanadi for the lead. Short. Ball batted around. Bonnie's on the floor. And it's a jump ball. And if it is, possession arrow pointing to Caloocan.
Here, that quick corner fill. That shot was short. And guys battled it out. Look at Lawrence Victoria. I guess the other guy was that Mike Mabulak? And the guys really just going in there trying to...
On an island. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Manday makes his move. He drives. He puts it up. He puts it in! Jeff Manday scoring the last 4 points for the Caloocan Batang Kangkalu.
Fen, you've got Manday down in the middle, driving that paint, getting into that paint touch and finishing. But you have to remember immediately.
JP Maguliano, he takes the free and makes it! Lead is down to 1. Pangasinan is still alive.
All the time and the space that JP needed to make that shot. The good thing about this is it only took out one.
Manday on the sideline, having trouble inbounding the basketball. Now it's with Prince Casin. And quick foul given up by Bulanadi.
Well, guess what?
Casin missing the first. Open for the Pangasinan Heatwaves.
And no more timeouts, Ken. There are no one.
Second free throw. Bounces out. Nobody grabbing no defensive rebound though for the Pangasinan Heatwaves.
Wow, nobody got to that miss.
Mix good on the first. Now in case Manday,
some coaches would want to miss this, then foul.
He hits both. 3-point lead, 4.2 seconds left. Bulanadi has to go on the rank of the floor. A good look, Bulanadi for free. And it's short. Caloocan survives in Rosales. And a gutsy win for the Batang Kang.
Boy, look at that. He already had that look. Wanted to bring it a little bit closer. But that shot hit nothing.
You don't like NBA basketball.